Brats, big news yesterday. Oculus has stopped selling all of the Quest 2s in stores and online and announced a new 128GB model coming out next month. Let's talk about it. Now, yesterday's video, we told you all about the Quest 2 recall. Make sure if you missed that, check out the link up here to go watch that one. Let's move forward and talk about all the questions that are coming up so far because of the 128GB model that's been announced. Boz, VP of Facebook Reality Labs, has said that they are going to resume sale of the Oculus Quest 2 on August 24th. That means that they're going to launch the 128GB model with the new silicone facial interface cover that's going to keep people from getting those face rashes, and the 256GB is going to be coming back and being sold as well. This is big news because the 128GB is the same price the 64GB was, and that's only going to be 1 month since they stopped selling them. Now, some people are saying, why are they doing this? Why are they bringing up this new model? There's a lot of belief that it's because the new games that are coming, some of the Quest 2 exclusives, first one we know of, Resident Evil 4, may be a very big game for a 64GB model. The Switch port of it is 12GB. That'd be almost 20% of your storage on one game. And we've had other games. Myst 2 took 10GB. The Walking Dead Saints and Sinners took 8GB. If this is going to be a new trend as we get more big developers in with the Oculus Quest 2, people are going to need more storage space than that 64GB. So what do you do if you already have a 64GB? As this news is rolling out, people don't know it yet. They just know stores have stopped selling them and don't know why. People have quickly started listing their Oculus Quest 2s online for sale and sold them easily. This could change every day going forward as more people find out the new model is waiting. They only have to wait a month, but there are always those impatient people who are gonna pay that extra price to get it now. Plenty of people commented on last video that it was actually their birthday and they had wanted to get one and now missed out on it because of that. Or they really wanted to get one before school resumed. So if you have an Oculus Quest 2 and you're willing to sell it and wait, you might be able to sell it now and get some money back and then get yourself a bigger one next month. This new one will cost $299 US, $299 GBP. Facebook has not confirmed what's going to happen to the 64GB they pulled from shelves. They don't want to tell people if they're going to discount those and sell them off because they want people to buy this new 128GB, but it may be something that ends up happening down the road to clear out inventory, or maybe they just pull those hard drives, put the bigger hard drives, and then sell them as the 128s. This wouldn't be such an issue if the Oculus Quest 2 had expandable storage in it, but it does not. If you have 64GB, that is your limit. And really, that is where the news ends. That is what we know for now. So I pass the question off to you. What do you think about this? Are you going to keep your 64GB if you have one? Are you going to try to sell it? Are you going to try to return it if you're still within the window? There is some more big news coming. We'll probably talk about tomorrow. It looks like the Steam Deck is going to actually be able to run some VR. We'll get more details on that tomorrow. We'll talk about it. But today I want to say thank you so much for hanging out with me, spending some of your time here with us on the channel, and I will see you in another reality.